This room is really messy,
Yes.
but I like it. Oh no! Oh no, it's a ghost, I think.
Yes.
I'm afraid of ghosts.
Yes.
God.
Oh no!
I'll show you this room.
I'm afraid.
Oh no. There's nothing here.
Oh no! Again! I'm scared. Yes. Me too. Me too. Oh no.
Oh no, do you see that?
Yes.
In this room, I have my clothes. It's not my room.
Oh no!
It's in everywhere.
Okay. If you like us, make 3 sounds. But if you don't like us, make a sound. Oh no. He like us. Yeah. He don't like us now. Oh no. I'll leave my keys here. Now let's see what it's going to do. Okay, just relax. Everything's going to be fine. Oh no. Let's get the key and get over the house. My key! Oh no. Someone has it. Yes.